So this is the picture I chose because I just thought um that this perfectly represents the movie. They had a lot of fun in the movie, even though in the beginning things weren't peachy keen. Um, my biggest takeaway from the movie is that no matter how old you are, you can still live your life and have a fulfilling life and accomplish new things and have new experiences. What could a social worker have done to intervene in the film The Intern? I would say that maybe a social worker could provide grievance counseling for him. Um, Being a widower and seeing how his life was going in the beginning of the film, I would say that he could have benefited from grievance, a grievance counselor, in order to just provide that source of therapy and venting about being a widower and having lost someone who you've been with your whole life. Um, and how can you apply the ideas from the intern to your future practice? So I think, well, one, a really important um, factor that was in this movie is the importance of intergenerational relationships. So these two characters are obviously from different generations, and seeing how their bond was so close and they affected each other positively and they taught each other things that maybe they wouldn't have known or experienced or felt when they weren't, if they didn't already meet each other. So that is something that I would take to my future practice, the importance of intergenerational relationships.